Welcome to Explain the Charts, and today we are analyzing the EURUSD. Recent news suggests a mixed outlook for the EURUSD. Some sources highlight the potential for a breakout, while others express concerns about reciprocal tariffs and inflation risks. Let's start by examining the one-day chart to observe the overall trend. The recent price action exhibits some volatility, with daily candles indicating both bullish and bearish periods, with a current position slightly below the 1.07 price level. We see the price fluctuate between the 1.07 and 1.10 range during the month of February, a range we should keep in mind when examining other timeframes. Now, let's zoom into the 1-hour chart to get a finer-grained view of recent price action. Here we can better observe the volatility and short-term trends within the larger movement we saw on the one-day chart. For example, in a particular 4-hour range, we observe a clear trend that is broken near the 1.075 price level. This supports our previous observation that this range is a key level. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we can see the intraday fluctuations of the price within this range. Short-term, there are a number of fluctuations that can be seen at this time frame, but generally, the price has remained relatively stable within the range for the day. Looking back at the one-day chart, we see a long-term range of 1.07 to 1.10. We see clear support levels in the 1.07 range and resistance in the 1.10 range. This was shown across the 1-hour time frame as well. We also see that in the 15-minute chart, even short-term prices remain within these ranges. To recap, the 1.07 and 1.10 price levels seem to be significant areas of support and resistance. A break above 1.10 could signal a sustained bullish trend. Alternatively, a fall below 1.07 might signal a more bearish outlook. We expect that there's a 50% likelihood that the EURUSD will fluctuate within these ranges, and the likelihood increases if we see an increase in economic stability and positive news. Keep an eye on economic indicators and geopolitical news to better predict future changes in price.